Hi everyone, James here. This is a look at a WW2 Fibre M1 helmet liner. These shells are made of pressed fibre sheets formed into shape, then painted green on the inside before being covered with a thin fabric. The fibre shells are easily recognisable thanks to their thick rolled rim which extends below the steel shell. In a race for liner development, the Hawley company, which had been manufacturing army fibre tropical helmets since 1933, was the first to set forth a prototype. Being too fragile and permeable, it did not meet requirements, but was available. Other research having not come to fruition then, without a valid alternative and urged by the need for liners, the Army was forced to adapt the fibre line in June 1941 until something better could be found. Mass production began at Hawley's at the end of 1941. In 1942, Hawley subcontracted to General Fibre, whose shells are ink marked with a G. The marking liner Fibre M1 can also be found on early liners by both companies. The final assembly was undertaken by McCord, which had subsidised the liner development at Hawley's. McCord had no proper liner to fit the shells it was beginning to produce, and it seized the opportunity, betting anything on speed. McCord and Hawley managed to land the first liner contract. The Army ended the fibre liner production in November 1942, a better alternative having been found with a composite material. So looking at the outside, as mentioned, the outside has been covered with this thin material. Inside it has the quite thick rolled edge to it. See where the damage is. You can see the pressed fibre material. That's the green painted inside. I've had a good look inside. There isn't any markings that I can see, but the inside, as you can see here, it's quite dirty. I may use some water and a cloth to gently wipe away this dirt. It may reveal the ink stamping. So it still has the suspension system that you see on later high pressure liners. Has galvanised A-frames, washers. It's the two grommets each end for the leather liner chin strap. you often see on the high pressure a grommet to put a rank badge there. But on this one, it doesn't have that on the fibre liners. So that's a look at a M1 helmet liner, the Fibre early type. Thanks for watching.